Otuto Omano, my country people. Now still the plenty many bad, wrong things, dirty things where our politicians they do for this country. Now I come to talk about so for Egbuluka TV. And the person where they talk to you so in name na ABO, aka African Megaskia, aka Who Go Bear the Cat, aka One Man Civil Defense. My brother, somebody get mind, they ask me, say, why they attack politicians? I know they attack them. They talk to them. They talk to them without fear or favor because they are elected into that position for a reason. Don't be to go pack money, enrich yourself, come out your children from Nigeria, go abroad, go school. Then children of the less privileged people here, you buy guns, they share for them. They sponsor insurgency in our country. My brother is not the best. Youths, no, I want to talk to. Any politician will bring gun, come give you. Now slap, you even suppose slap him. You know why? You know be police, you know be army, you know be air force. You are not a military personnel. Why they carry the gun can't give you? If to carry the gun they good, why not bring in children, make on carry the gun together? In children will be your mate when you don't send abroad to go school. And let me tell you, that gun where they carry now be the power where the politician get, where then they give them development allowance, that is constituency allowance for development, in they divert them to in own personal use. Because you they carry gun for them, in don't form clique, in don't form soldier. It just be like armor robber, we organize group. Now him they lead the group. They go carry gun, they go rob, come, in go give them small money. But in the difference between the armor robber and the political robber, we say the political robber in no go carry gun with you, but in go buy gun give you, consent you to the field, and the field na bush they go stay. That's why some of them when hungry warrior and I go bust pipe, they thief oil. Because politicians they suffer, you then small time when you know say you don't suffer, you go send you small money. You go happy, hey, politician, this or honorable, this honorable that. My brother, that is not the kind of life you are supposed to live as a young person. My brother, you can still build yourself. Come out for that bush where you dey, drop that gun wey buy for you. Now you dey give am power to thief. If you no carry that gun, you no go fit thief. If you no carry that gun, you go develop the land. If you no carry that gun, you go put the hospitals in order, the roads will be in order. Go to Ahoda East General Hospital, Ahoda General Hospital. Go to Suleja General Hospital. Go to some other general hospitals in this country and see what the poor people are passing through. Not to talk of communities. Not to talk of communities like Ward 10 in Ahoda East local government area. Go to Ward 9 in Ahoda East local government area also. No good access road. And they haven't DPR there. The youths are suffering. What they used to do is to just sponsor them, buy them guns. That is crazy. You don't make yourself available for such. Please. Use your life well. Use your life meaningfully. Any politician that bring guns to you or tell you to go and cause problem, the politician hates you. He hates your parents and he hates your generation. You don't need to listen to such politicians because they are the problems we are having. And you that you are carrying that gun for them, you are a very big problem to this generation and the next generation to come. Our youth, please, let's come together to say no to bad leadership. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube, on Egbuluka TV. Thank you very much. And if you have found out that you are living in a place in Nigeria that is not developed, I want to let you know that somebody is collecting allowance to develop that place. So call us on Egbuluka TV. Send us a message on Egbuluka TV and we will expose it and we will draw the attention of whoever's attention that is supposed to be drawn to that place. Thank you very much.